Hi, I'm Mark.
Hi, I'm Stephen.
And we're two guys from Melbourne that happen to be keen cyclists. For me, it's all about getting around the city safely.
For me, it's all about the racing and leading that pack.
And we're also the inventors of beSEENS, which is the world's first fully automatic cycling safety glove.
She survives on street light, and the fumes of alcohol. She's a figure in the night, hiding behind a cigarette. It's a sad old sound when the barbell rings. She salutes the public hand. She builds air castles one after the other, where the men dance in front of each other for the chance to buy a drink and another. She slams her gin down hard. She picks up the payphone, rolls a cigarette again. I'm lost in the city. I'm hiding in the shadows in the corner of a broken bar. Got a couple buckle coppers in my pocket. Shiny coins won't get me far. I'm lost in the city. I'm riding on the next man to take me home. Found your number floating in my pocket. Fancy boy, won't you drive me home?
So thank you very much for your time and supporting our Kickstarter campaign. We believe safety is an integral part of enjoying your cycling experience. And with your support, we are now able to bring beSEENS to the market. So remember, be safe,
beSEENS.